Your health is where we are going to begin with our spring break checklist. All this week here on 10 TV. We want to make sure your vacation is worry-free. Now, before we get into the savings and the safety, we need to look at that COVID-19 situation, and that starts with our 10 TV team of experts.
We really are past the Omicron surge and seeing numbers return to those pre-Delta levels where we were seeing the light at the end of the tunnel.
It's the light at the end of the tunnel for most of us, and now we want spring break, whether it's a weekend, a week, or two. Dr. Ian Gonsenhauser from our 10 TV team of experts will also take a break from the front lines of the pandemic at the OSU Wexner Medical Center. And he says there are some things we all should know before we go. First, identify the risk at your destination. Know the rules and regulations. Air travel still requires masking by federal mandate. And don't forget to know what's required at your destination. Requirements vary by the thousands worldwide.
So you really need to know what the entry requirements of the destination that you're headed to might be. In some cases, that requires proof of vaccination and boosting.
And when you leave your preferred version of paradise for home, is there a quarantine in your future?
There's no current quarantine direction from the CDC or from World Health Organization or from really local entities either. So if you travel and you come back and you are symptomatic or you have a known exposure, if you have concerns like that, then you may want to elect to voluntarily quarantine.
And we thank Dr. Gonsenhauser for his expertise on this. And friends, this is just the start of our spring break coverage. Join us tomorrow when we'll take a look at the safety of students on college campuses, the conversations you should be having with your kids, your young people, before they leave their dorms.